Greetings and welcome back to Moto Matters. I am in the shop working on our corner cabinet project. Got a couple boards left to put on it, get the shelf in it. Then we can start on the other half that'll make it actually a corner cabinet. So I'm working today alone. Let's see how much I can get done all by myself. Yeah, we thought we had the lights figured out, or the flashing, scrolling black, but apparently not. I'm actually thinking the garage light frequency is interacting with the camera, but hopefully we get her completely sorted soon. Yeah, look at that. Got her in. Just need to screw her down now. Put the support in. Then I can finally get to today's project. Not gonna lie, folks, the torque of the drill just twists my wrist so bad. I gotta take a break here. Just finally get ready to start it for the day. But I gotta take a little break. All right, we are back. Time for stage 2. I'm gonna build a 3x3 box, just like the one we did in the corner over there. Get them together, a nice, beautiful little L. This means I gotta build a footer under further so they meet up just right. already got a frame base built. We're gonna call lunch and then get the side supports in and get the cross beams in. Then maybe I'll do better with the shelf this time. We'll find out. It's not like I know what I'm doing. All right, let's get back to work. Lunch break's over. Alright, let's see if we can show you. Beautiful. Shelf all the way across. Open in the bottom. Store all kinds of junk back in there that you never ever touch, never ever use. It's gonna be a lot of deep, wasted storage space. A beautiful bench top, corner you can't even reach. Look at that. Can't even reach that corner. That's gonna be deep. Hold all kinds of stuff on this bench. Build all kinds of engines maybe. I don't know, we'll see what we get up to. It's still early in the day, but I'm almost out of screws, didn't buy enough. So I think that may be a wrap on this. So thanks for watching, and if you did enjoy it, go watch some dirt bike videos.
Psych! I am so back, baby! Oh!
We're gonna die. Oh no. All right, battery's gonna die soon. We're gonna show you what it looks like before we get the doors cut in. Got a nice toe kick under here, a little bit of a ledge. Put a double door here, double door here. So we got access to all that beautiful storage, and then don't have to look at the junk. That's our nice corner bench, almost completely done. So again, thanks for watching. Let's get this in the background. There we are. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, or if this is lame, just go watch us ride dirt bikes.
That's like way cooler.